Understanding speed. Now that you understand the basic relationship between speed, distance, and time, let's dive deeper into some advanced concepts. Reading and plotting distance-time graphs, and working out the relative motion of two objects. Distance-time graphs visually represent how an object's distance changes over time. The slope of the line shows the speed at which the object is moving. The steeper the graph, the faster the object is going. Flat sections are where it has stopped. Downhill sections mean it is moving back towards its starting point. Curves represent a changing speed. A steeping curve means the object is speeding up or accelerating. A curve leveling off means the object is slowing down or decelerating. On a graph, the horizontal axis, which is also the x-axis, represents time. The vertical axis, which is also the y-axis, represents distance. Relative motion is useful if you want to know the speed of something when you are moving too. When two objects are moving, it can be useful to know how fast they are together or apart, their relative motion. For example, when you are traveling at 60 miles per hour in a coach on the motorway, and a car overtakes you at 70 miles per hour, the speed of the car is 10 miles per hour relative to your coach. If you look out the window, the car moves past you as quickly as if you were stationary and the car was traveling at 10 miles per hour. If two objects are moving in opposite directions on the same straight line, you can add their speeds together to calculate their relative motion. Let's look at an example. Both cars are moving towards each other from opposite directions. So, if you are sat in the red car, the blue car is getting closer much faster than if you were sat still at the side of the track. This is because it is moving towards you while you are moving towards it. To work out the speed of the blue car relative to the red car, just add the speeds together. 30 plus 25 equals 55 kilometers per hour, so the speed of the blue car relative to the red car is 55 kilometers per hour. If the objects are moving in the same directions on the same straight line, you can just subtract their speeds to calculate the relative motion. Understanding these concepts will help you analyze and interpret motion in physics more effectively.